can't really hear anything or see anything. Pretty sure there's pretty much like some fireworks there. I wish my parents would let them watch them, but they just want me to go to bed. I lose this bed. Who the heck do they think I am? It's 2021, baby. You expect me to not be freaking excited? Who do you think I am? This terrible year is finally gonna be over. This disgrace. Of course I'm freaking excited. Who would not be? This year was a total upgrade. Oh, I think I saw something. I definitely hear stuff. I see some little tinted little colors, some speckled stuff. Come on. Team, show me some stuff. Show me crap. Oh, I saw something. Oh, I saw something. I freaking saw something. Ooh, it's big. Did you see that? Oh, you didn't see it. Crap. Come on. Y'all look like a freaking, I don't know what to say. Look at the moon. Look at the freaking moon. Come on, show me some. Show me a big one. A big explosion. Or not explosion. I meant to say like firework. Can't really see, but there's my backyard. Anyway, chill. So why you got to lie? Come on, show me something big. Show me something. Of course, when I look around, they're probably gonna show a firework. Come on. Work. Yeah, forget this. There's probably nothing there. Ooh, I saw something tiny. But it wasn't really big enough to cause something real cool. I'm lucky my parents haven't skewered me and killed me yet because they didn't know I'm awake. Yeah, here's the stuff. Create your own happiness. That's like impossible because I'm depressed as like heck. Ooh. Here's my My Hero Academia drawing. That's nice. Hey, Deku. Water. Doesn't taste the best. I want some Fiji. Give me some of that Fiji. Okay, not the best. Yeah, that's Miles Morales. And it's me, my own weird, uncute, kind of cute looking self. Wait, I think I saw something. I gotta have a closer look. I'm not gonna lock my door, but I want to make sure my parents don't come in my room. I swear I saw something. there's a red light flashing. You can't see this, sadly, but it's there. It's a firework. You probably could hear the noises. Well, I'm gonna stop recording that now because I'm not getting anywhere. I see a red light, but yeah. Good night. I wish I could just go back downstairs, but it took me a while to come back upstairs because I had to sneak from my parents. But yeah, everything's good. Playing game mode and stuff. Everything is good. All the things are working well. It's 12:20 freaking 3. I just can't believe it's 2021. I'm freaking out. I recorded this earlier, but I'm posting it like now. Oh wow, that's a picture of me 3 or 4 years ago when I was 7 years old. Almost will be 4. Wow, let me look at that. My godmother. Let me show her face out because she might not want to have her face shown. I definitely respect people's privacy, especially if I care for them. If I don't care for them, then I might not respect their privacy. But that's me. Those are my sexy hats right there. One is a Dustin hat or a Stranger Things hat kind of. Ooh, oh crap. I'm not gonna do that. Those are my nice jeans right there. Yeah, my comp. I don't know why I have Orioles hats. They're kind of trash. They need to get better at playing baseball. Bye. Please follow me. I know I look like a freaking creeper, but follow me, look at my stuff, and yeah. If you want cringe drums and art and memes and depressedness, that's not even a freaking word. Depressed stuff. You're the one to come to me. You're lesbian TikToks. Well, I don't even use TikTok. Forget that. Screw that. Bye.